Okay, ginapay pala na sa tanan, no? Labi na sa itong mga boxers. Karong hapon, may arata piliyon na best bout. Best bout of the day will receive a medal. Medal donated by Santa Catalina Cooperative of President Rojas. So the best bout of the day will receive a medal donated by, sponsored by Santa Catalina Cooperative. And another medal donated to the best boxer, the best bout and best boxer of the day. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Presenting boxer, our third Batang Pinoy bout. Introducing first boxer in the red corner, weighing 15 kilograms, all the way from Barangay Pinamaton, Matalam, Cotabato. Let's welcome Tyrone Estelure. First boxer fighting out in the blue corner, also weighing 15 kilograms, all the way from Kidapawan City. Let's welcome Brian San Obrador. In charge of action, referee Jake Lapawan. At the same time, Judge 1, Judge 2. Our referee, Judge Cesar La Rusa, and Judge 3, Mr. Alex Nalsaro.
Sige pe.
3 rounds with a 1 minute per round. Isang minuto lang per round ng atong Batang Pinoy boxers. At huwag kay mga bata na hindi na ito po ni Dugayon. Only 1 minute duration of 3 rounds.
Sige, Chok!
End of the second round. Next round. Yan. Sa murang edad nitong ating mga boksingero, magagaling na sa mga diskarte. Ayan. Boksingero na ang dating itong ating mga Batang Pinoy fighters.
Sige, Chok!
neutral corner. Yan po mga batang Pinoy boxers na gina-training gini sa ilang mga coaches, no? So, sa murang edad, magaling na future champion sa Tony ng mga bata. Time! End of the bout. Next bout, Edjo Katagi and Jim Lagaso. So the go. And once again, these pakbaan ng kamao sa Purok 1, Barangay Yupandan is brought to us by the Barangay Purok officials of Purok 1 Yupandan, headed by Purok President Ana A. Salvador, in partnership with the Barangay Council of Barangay Tibeta. Honorable Roderick Ian Prado, Honorable Madel Fernandez, Honorable Santiago Noveno, Honorable Esterlita Aluipan, Honorable Nora Sarmiento, Honorable Leonardo Canlo, and our SK chairperson, Honorable Melvin Amunso. Requesting Kagawad Iwar, Kagawad. Winner by unanimous decision. Winner, blue corner, Brian San Obrador and Kagawad Aluhipan will give their prizes. Thank you very much. Normal Kagawad Esterlita Aluhipan.